Yeah, Dana, definitely one of those days where it didn't turn out quite as bad as planned, which we love. Hoping that happens for the rest of the week, though.
Yeah, it's always a nice surprise getting to see some more sunshine than expected. But at least in an active weather pattern, you get to kind of switch between clouds and sunshine, so it's not all doom and gloom all the time. So we started out with some rain today, then we got into some clouds later in the day. And we'll have more of that as we get into the next couple of days. So earlier today, really socked in with clouds the beginning of the day, but then we had some breaks of sunshine as we went into the afternoon and early evening. And it's a little bit more difficult to see after the sun goes down, but the only place that has some clouds right now is on the southern coast and southern New Hampshire. Now, right now, the radar is clean. We do have some showers to our west, but they're going to stay to our west for now. We're looking at a dry night tonight. However, we do have some more showers on the way as we get into tomorrow. Low temperatures tonight, pretty standard for this time of year. Inland, this is pretty typical for what we've been seeing for the past couple of days. Along the coast, though, a little bit cooler. We've been seeing temperatures a little bit warmer next to the coast for the past couple of days. High temperatures that we saw today ended up being a little higher than we expected because we saw some more sunshine, got into the middle 70s, especially inland. Some spots hit the lower 80s. And as we get into tomorrow, it's going to be kind of a repeat of what we saw today. Areas that get more clouds and more rain, temperatures more likely in the upper 60s to lower 70s, but inland, where we're expected to see some more sun, temps in the mid to upper 70s. Now, in terms of how humid it's going to be over the next couple of days, we're going to be pretty stagnant in the humid to muggy category, that is, until the front goes through on Friday. Take a look at that. We bottom out in terms of humidity for the beginning of the weekend. Begins to creep up for the end of the weekend, but overall some relief on the way. Now we're going to start out with some more clouds rolling in for tomorrow morning, some fog possible in the early morning as well. And as we get into the afternoon, we could see some breaks of sunshine, but overall it's going to be a mix of sun and clouds with some scattered showers possible as well. And as we get into the evening, things begin to clear out with the exception of some fog along the coast. Then as we start Thursday is going to be a drier day, but it's going to be an overall cloudier day. Then Wednesday, with the exception of far northern Maine, most people are going to be seeing very cloudy skies throughout the day Thursday. Then as we get into Friday, that's where we have a cold front going through. You can see it pretty well defined going through Vermont there, and that's going to move from west to east throughout the state on Friday, so another day of showers there. Sea is 2 to 3 feet and water at 68 degrees. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, it's going to be cloudy and rainy over the next couple of days. Thursday, the most humid day of the next couple, but it's going to be the driest day as well. That front rolls in for Friday, where we see cloudy skies in the morning and then rain in the afternoon, but things do clear up for the weekend. We'll see some more sunshine and much more comfortable conditions. So Zach, we do have something to look forward to, and that's the weekend.
Yeah, not just sun, but comfy too. So
absolutely.
We'll take it. Thanks, Dana.